Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori, Nichisemo Chinde Chinyinge. Nigo Kotonyora, Asite Kodea Star Times, Channel 195, Go TV, Channel 824, na free to air decoders, Digital TV, na Smart TVs, Scania TV yao, na boigo onchore ilio yao, igo iko yenyore. Dizi TV, nigo turine kirenga, ekio korentera, emerubuli emerunge, chinka kichonsi. Dizi TV, Obuensu, Wuomogusi. Dizi TV, Obuensu Wuomogusi, nigo bono yako nikirundekerene, nego korentera, chibiche chinkia, na boigo chinkeno nuku kigima, na bogo tonyora, asoro gonko bogusi, neji kaunti chito etanaine, una, kaunti ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori, Nichisemo Chinde Chinyinge. Nigo Kotonyora, Asite Kodea Star Times, Channel 195, Go TV, Channel 824, na free to air decoders, Digital TV, na Smart TVs, Scania TV yao, na boigo onchore ilio yao, igo iko yenyore. Dizi TV, nigo turine kirenga, ekio korentera, emerubuli emerunge, chinka kichonsi. Dizi TV, Obuensu, Wuomogusi. Dizi TV, Obuensu Wuomogusi, nigo bono yako nikirundekerene, nego korentera, chibiche chinkia, na boigo chinkeno nuku kigima, na bogo tonyora, asoro gonko bogusi, neji kaunti chito etanaine, una, kaunti ya Kisii.
My attention now, what you gon' do? You the tension, but you're the kung fu. Don't cool it down, cause me no fight it. It's not, I'm not the one, calm down. You know I'm not your problem. You can't be me, why bother? Don't have your time now. Only move me bout. To bambino farabale, a boy a couple mole. Okay, it's okay, let them sing. Drop no they pay, keep dying on the day. Okay, because it's okay. I just want that. Sexy girl, need from a bad boy like me. Yeah, sexy kiss, no she ain't for my. And when I look, I know that she can never me. Your body behind me like lean. When we do it, skin to skin. And I do those things, I feel deep in your beat. Shorty says Shorty give me the deep black from my chest to my knees.
Who said that? Yeah, show me a gun, you never run. Yeah, you better relax and have some fun. You better feel, you better chill, you keep it real. Yeah, me have to bring it when you ring it. Yeah, me have to sing it till you swing it. Yeah, me have to bring it, do your thing, girl. Some of the girls them not say na read it. Girl them a hot when them a wine, was them a call when none of them fall. Mash up the floor, come me a pour. Run touch the bass, then you roll out the neck. Ball and DJ make them speakers bumping. Everyone in the place is jumping. Ladies on the place will have some fun. You never run, you never run. Yeah, who said that? Yeah, show me a gun, you never run. Yeah, you better relax and have some fun. You better feel, you better chill, you keep it real. Yeah, me have to bring it when you ring it. Yeah, me have to sing it, still you swing it. Yeah, me have to bring it, do your thing, girl. So when I give
Wananiokisha, wananiambia mimi ni malaika, ninawapendeza, naniwasa, siwezi wakata, njaro zao manufaa. He's right behind you, girl. of you. Usidanga niye uwa niye haji kasero.
Times I told you I'm the type of guy you'll never find messing around with your mind, alright. But ever since I've been away, you acting like I wanna play. You know how you make me feel.
California vitu nzuri tunaendelea mbele, hakuna cha huzuni hapa, furani tele. Wana wamesahau mziki yangu bado ni genge, wana wanatudharau, tafadhali usifanye nicheke. Tadangana zamani nirudi studio leo na nasikia poa, na najua mnapenda kusikia sauti yangu. Unatulia nini bana, mkatuzitoke. Unapanguza nini bana, wacha jasho imwagike kote. Hata kuna ukame tunajituliza na maji baridi. Lemoda undia menyambano kute na ngoma mbili. Amora, wati wabambe na mjipandishe juka bendera na mimbe ngoma kana shondolante.
Heshima yako, nataka tu furaha yako. Ndio ujue mahali bidii na nguvu imetoka. Nataka tu heshima yako, nataka tu furaha yako. Ndio ujue mahali bidii na nguvu imetoka.
Alikata watu wengi sana wakule raundi nyati. Inone, safari yangu kipeleka mbio. Imongo kwende fry back MCs kama ya Masa tumetoka kukubara zengine dry tukifry back
Wanna be starting Mr. Good on baby now my best and cool and chilly get alright. Come on together, we can do this together. Take your time, it's taking you forever. Wanna be starting
Mr. Good
on baby now my best and cool and chilly get alright.
Masa tumetoka kukubara
kukubara zengine dry
tukifry back MCs ya itoka rapa Meshika sema ma so happy, me man them no happy. Too happy, come out if you're deadly, so deadly. So let me love. Me love them no happy, so happy. Me man them no happy. So deadly, so let me love. I see something going wrong, you know we were hard. People that something serious up and I love and down forever. Living is fun, was the hard enough thing. Lord, when they make this offering, it's better shows. Lord, I look at man, I'm the outfit, the best of it, now show this up. Well then, you see, okay.
Now together, we can do this together. Take your time, it's taking you forever. When I'm starting, it's the good. Maybe now my stay, we'll let you get alright. We can do this together. Take your time, it's taking you forever.
DJ King.
Marabugade, funky na magenge. Basi kwa mlango ukasikia pembe. Kufukulia ndeku wa mtata.
Heshima kwa yudada, jamani ya mtukafa. You don't know what can lisha, yeah, we're taking it back, just taking it back. From this beat we on fire, let's be Ella, listen while I speak. Next morning, be on my way to Nairobi. Do another song, big night. Magazines can ride all kinds of cool shit. Let me tell you this, since the hour low through this. Swim around like a million bucks. Show everybody here know what's up. Now finally I'm coming. Go ahead.
I really wonder, girl, where you are. Come lighten up my life, yeah. Where you been all this time? Why did you live without saying goodbye? You caused me cry. I wish I could give you everything you came in for, but I ain't got enough money to stay. Right the days I get to go, stick around and you will see. You will still be the one for me. Beautiful, you are the one I've been searching for inside.
Pull it one night. Pull it hop one night. Pull it hop one night. Pull it one night. Pull it hop one night. Pull it one night. Pull it one night. Manda pia jajana Godfather miko hapa bado baada miaka 10. Huko nyuma kule mtajusume. Strategy ndo jina joe mchezo. Jamaa mmendoz kwani hamnaga uwezo ya kuthink badala ya kuwest video atazinaga malipsing. Msupa netibia kaletwa na wakengi. Uje sauti dem tunapiga kelele. Hapa kule chakula tamu shika ule na nebure. Shika ule na ukumbuke ukumbuke. Next time tuwa katikati ya jamii. Watiajini na wasanii. Kumbuke ya kili kombele. Madwa maisha yangu siku wizi ama kule. Toka shule, toka town, paka hati, paka maja ama kule. Yule nile hati moyoni mwangu mimi nateseka. Umbo lako lilo zuri laniumiza. Umbo lako lilo zuri laniumiza. Moyoni mwangu mimi nateseka. Moyoni mwangu mimi nateseka. Umbo lako lilo zuri laniumiza. Kila mtu na wake, ana hana utinizate. Peni tukuno sine danse, sisa sine hande. Kila mtu na wake, ana hana utinizate. Peni tukuno sine danse, sisa sine hande. Alabu imeshona vichakade, mamazi wakatika vihatade. Matali wasorora vihangere. Dada niambie jina lako, nimedoki hizo njaro zako. Naomba nafasi wakati wako, tukatike nawe peke yako. Wakati wako, wakule wako, jambo yako, wakule wako. Akinuka jambo, tumfanye majambo. Afanyo mambo kila mtu na wake, ana hata shauri ni zake. Nipeni pepuno sinde danse, sisa sini hande. Kila mtu na wake, ana hata shauri ni zake. Nipeni pepuno sinde danse. Kuno zangu zinaniwacha na shida tashika manzingani hapa ndani. Nikiona huu na mtaka, nikiangalia wa kwanza na mwacha. Leo hapo wengi tuna matali, kwa lazima nitoke na kanzi. Kwa danganya kuti ninampenda kile mwingine. Mpelekeni basi kwa dance mkazi toke. Na leo takatika sana, kuweka phone yako boxi potee. Kuni vizuri mtu asikozode. Nika ni aja mpaka kijiko na wake. Baina ya I don't know how it looks. Maybe you change me forever, just next to me.
I woke up in Chris Brown's body.
Right
So
there.
hot this shit turned into Freaky Friday. But we got no choice but to turn this thing sideways. I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday. It's Freaky Friday. I'm in Chris Brown's body. I've been so hungry. I'm like skin black. I woke up Chris Breezy. Oh my God, I'm the man. I'm so fine I can dance. I just can't stop Kanye. I told him I'm his biggest fan. Yeah, got all these songs in my ear. Yeah, holy shit, I gotta care. I just sing so well. Wonder if I can fit in. Can I really fit in? What up, my nigga? What up, my nigga? Big up my nigga. We got my nigga. You pussy ass nigga. Man, fuck y'all niggas. I'm that nigga. I'm that nigga. I woke up in Chris Brown's body. So hot this shit turned into Freaky Friday. But we got no I woke up in Chris Brown's body. So hot this shit turned into Freaky Friday. But we got no choice but to turn this thing sideways. I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday. It's Freaky Friday. I'm in Chris Brown's body. I've been so hungry. I'm like skin black. I woke up crazy. Oh my God, I'm the man. I'm so fine I can dance. There's tattoos on my neck. I just can't stop crying. I told him I'm his biggest fan. Yeah, got all these songs in my DM.
Never since I get when she and I could man. Tell them it's an undercover hustle. And you never will show them also with your turn back. Tell them it's an undercover hustle. No girl never kiss him off that she don't give you head. Tell them it's an undercover hustle. Well in the bedroom and a woman could have moved and some best. So I am on the people where they with the same sex. No matter how your honey and no matter how your dress. No girl no for you to copy at a post. But if you take a check you want to get a fix. The mama could have moved up where you copy take a fix. And you don't want to have me come and kiss your boy and lift that ass. She tongue in a little low. From you never die with another man in a bed. Let me say another hustle. From you never die with another man in a bed. Let me say another hustle. From you never die with another man in a bed. Let me say another hustle. From you never die with another man in a bed.
I lose all control when I see you standing there in front of me. Your style, your clothes, your hair, your hair, woman, you look so sexy. The way you whine and way you dance and the way that you twist and turn your waist. Leaves me wanting, leaves me yearning, leaves me feeling for a taste. Before the end of the night, I wanna hold you so tight, so tight. You know I want you so much. And I'm so tempted to try. Tempted to touch it, tempted to touch it. My little woman, I need you so much. Tempted to touch it, tempted to touch it. My little woman, I'm inside your touch. Tempted to touch it, tempted to touch it. My little woman, I need you so much. Tempted to touch it, tempted to touch it. My little woman, I'm inside your touch. Yo, to all the ladies in the dance, these ladies, thinking about one of them having my babies. I don't even know your name, and I don't even know your way. I'm together all over the world, from the hood to Japan, Harajuku girls. What? It's all love, what? Give it up, what? I'm together all over the world, from the hood to Japan, Harajuku girls. What? It's all love, what? Give it up.
You feel me? Thoughts of you just keep consuming me. And on my head, oh yeah. Thought to do it, but now I see. Change your mind and make you stay. I'll give anything to hear you say. I'm loving you.
Monkey no fine, but in my mouth like I'm. Oh yeah, sure you want come calculate my money. Oh yeah. Where do one banga? Where do don't start to? Shadow got down for the batata. Slim. I love my life. I love my life. I love my life. Do your own, make I do my own. Find my da, she want the phone. But if I want time, now she come from back. God, I was scared. So baby, don't play me. When I hear the shit screaming my name, got me not crazy. Oh my God, you make it too easy. I'm loving you, you make it too easy. I'm touching you, I'm loving you, you make it too easy. You make it too easy. You make it too easy. Cruising me, cussing all the time. I call it online, I call it on my damn. Cruising me, cussing all the time. I call it on my one to the corners. Offense, real with the defense, to be honest. I just wanna be with you and I know best. I just wanna be with you and I know best. I just wanna be with you, yeah. You will live it. And when we get together, we might get. And everything you say, I return it. And when I die inside you, you lose it. I'm really on fire. Too easy. I'm kidding you. I'm loving you. You make it too easy. I'm touching you. I'm loving you. You make it too easy. You make it too when your legs in the air. You know your pennies never getting in the way. You know I kinda like it when you make me work for it. Hey, you got me all the tied up skirt. Get that ass in the bed, I'm allowed to do. Shake that ass like boom chakalaka, boom chakalaka. We don't need nobody watching us. Nobody but your eyes. Ain't nobody here but you. Licking your private parts, and I know you love you privacy. Now when you're ready, know they put the talk telling me I ain't ready yet. I say fuck it, my fears, baby. When I lick it, I put tears in it. Put my face in it like dinner day. You know I'm for foreplay, everything. Now my loving don't change. I don't really give a fuck what a head say. Cause you fine, baby. And it's alright, cause you're all fine, baby. Girl, I'ma let you be crazy. Hey, you got me.
I dey hear plenty scores, so they not believe us.
Check. Peace of mind is drink water.
Them out the sharp like scissors.
One time, two time. Rice and easy getting ready. We're getting ready for the day. Peace of mind is underrated. One time, two time. To everybody who've made it to Camel Park, the Pride of Kissy today, we say thank you and welcome to Camel Park, the Pride of Kissy, the place to be each and every time. Remember, it's all about kids. In a few we are going to start our event today. Muda usio kwa mrefu utakuwa tunaanza. Muda usio kwa mrefu basi tutakuwa tunaanza. Kuwa tayari pale. My super dancers wanakuwa tayari. Wait and Easy TV wako tayari. By the way, kama kuna mtu angeweza kufika na angetamani sana aweze kuona show, mwambie tuko live pale ndani ya Ndizi TV. Zaidi ya yote, ingia pale pia YouTube tuko live. Nitakuwa nakupatia basi linka muda usio kwa mrefu. Kwa wale wamefika tunasema asante na karibu tena zaidi. Call Miguel the Entertainer on the MIC alongside my super MC Bon B on the ones and twos. Call him Selector DJ King.
I know you seen your name. Getting money past your papa. You know how I don't feel. Why you want to do that one? Show you be kiss and then you better talk your body and move. You do the phone with this love for 15, baby. I get the bounce for you, do one day, do like say night and all day. You do this thing, they do like say your best to the
Yes, I, Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, and Spider-Man getting ready so that we can start the day.
I be smart, wait, do to me, oh no. I be on my business, shawty, but you be on my mind, shawty. All of my honey, kiss me to the sun, kiss me to the phone. Can't you see I'm into ya? Can't you see I'm in love? Kiss me to the cellular, kiss me to the phone. Yeah, messing with my medulla, I can't talk alone. Oh no, Emiliano, you know what? Emiliano.
Shamtamani moja, shamonanga moja, shamtakanga moja, now easy juu. Shamtamani moja, shamonanga moja, shamtakanga moja, now easy juu. Umbo zuri na tabia, na sura unavutia, michongizo marambia na what to do. kama saluna garamia, kanidai na nunua, mishe na changia na Aba kule kule kende na mimi, utu ndani, mahaba take over me, don't begin na nani, aba kule kende mami, utu ndani, mahaba take over me, don't begin. Shanta mani moja, shamona moja, shanta kanga moja. We say get the power, get the power, get the power, come on, get the power, get the power. See that day we get shy, see that day we get shy, see that day we get mania, see that day we get mania. Since 1960, yeah. That day we get shy, since 1930, no. See that day we get shy, skeleton. You just do your body skeleton. I stay high, I'm never steady on my grind. You know fear no one at all, cause so do I dig like slime. Energy 100% bro, and them both we comprehend, and them both we understand. I'm catching flights and take for dance. Nobody better than I, 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 nobody better.
Never say what you saw, you go with my basis of life, yeah. Enemies don't need to fend me, so just to survive, yeah. But the devil on my back, that's why I'm steady on my grind. You know where I'm from, I'm never going back, yeah. So give me one for you, make sure you feel my body and soul. Pray for the best, if the best to follow. Blood in my eye, go test me, go no, cause the bite tomorrow. But the devil on my back, that's why I'm steady on my grind. You know where I'm from, I'm never going back. No. Next time.
Body better than I, nobody better than I, nobody better than I, nobody better than I.
The last time that I check, now before I digress, my girl, you told me that I'm not your love interest. See my girl, the last time that I check, see nothing ain't changed yet, except that I got a big bag and a big flag. Don't nobody tell me nonsense, man, nigga. Streets is so cold, man, nigga. When nobody come try me a river, I'ma pull through like the strings on my guitar. Nonsense, man, nigga. The streets is so cold, man, nigga. When nobody come try me a river, I'ma pull through like the strings on my guitar. That's my brother. I don't want to pull no trigger. I just want this, cause I got it. I don't want no wahala. So cold outside, my brother. I just want it, cause I got this. I don't want no wahala. So cold outside. I know they like nothing to worry me. I know they like nothing to bother me. You know, I know what apology. Say she don't know the bother nobody. I know they like nothing to bother me. I know they like nothing to bother me. I know what apology.
I've been drinking more alcohol for the past 5 days. Come in, now did you look for me? I walked in the room, eyes are red and I don't smoke banger. Did you check on me? Did you check on me? Now did you notice me? Nobody will know the paranoia, cause I put it on my face. The first that you can never face. And if you don't know me well, you say I'm very it's like this, cause you don't see people.
Cause you right.
hadi nipate nimechill like a binti. Form ni mingi hadi anashanga na sisi kila siku ya wiki. Get tipsy na nikiget down I blow doll on the whiskey. Jack DJ me na blame it on the Henny. We started out slow nilikuwa mlevi. Ish too crazy kukumbuka singezi. Nilijiget home juu ya bed nimeblex. Ni masoni mangire moja wawile kama task kama bile.
Mic check 1 2 1 2 1 2 mic check 1 2. Iko sawa DJ, twende kazi.
Closer, no distance. You like me, you're Mr. Whiny, Calypso, me like it. Hey, I told my wife what your name is behave. Vile yo makalina ni instigate. Wanna day bank na Mississippi K. I broke your heart and I do it again. So I went on a date. This big mama, all this pressure I had to discover. But when I go, hey, not your home madam. Sleeping jealous so I might be stubborn.
One asante sana pale selector pale DJ pale selector pale DJ. If you know uko ndani ya Camel Park, geukia mwenzako mpatia high-5, mwambie you are looking good today. Patia mwenzako high-5. Hata kama mmekaa wanaume kwa wanaume ni vizuri ku appreciate. Mwambie you are looking good today. Asante sana. Thank you for coming to Camel Park. Leo ni siku ya
Mpenzi mtazamaji, karibu katika televisheni yako namba 1 ambayo ni Ndizi TV Obwansu Womogusi. So leo tuko katika hoteli ya Camel Park Hotel. Kumbuka mimi ni Christabel Nyaboke ambaye nakuletea Ndizi Kids Show ndani ya Ndizi TV Obwansu. Leo tuko katika hoteli ya Camel Park na tunawaletea the ultimate Kids Carnival. Kumbuka, when kids are happy, everybody is happy. Lots kuna vitu nyingi kama modeling, dancing, zipline tour, vitu nyingi kabisa. Kama mtoto wako ama we mtoto uko nyumbani na hujafika hapa, sijui unangojea nini. Karibuni sana Park Hotel, the pride of Kisii. Camel Park na tunashirikiana na watu ambao wanafuata Camel Park, Ndizi TV, True Food, Chocolate, Zesta and KCB Bank. Kumbuka, when kids are happy, everybody is happy. So leo tuko katika Camel Park na tuko na the ultimate Kids Carnival Week. Kama unataka mtoto wako afike hapa ama unataka kumleta mtoto wako, unaweza mleta. Unangojea nini? Tutakuwa na dance, model, zipline tour na zingine nyingi. Walk with me ni kuonyesha vitu ambavyo vinaendelea. Vile unaona hizi ndo vitu na I hope tunaendelea kuenjoy the ultimate kids carnival week. Sasa acha nikupeleke kwa swimming pool uone venye tunaenjoy. Kumbuka hapa pia kuna bouncing castle. Kumbuka utaendelea kutufuata katika mitandao ya Facebook, Twitter, YouTube na WhatsApp. Utatupata Facebook page kama Ndizi TV News Digital na pia YouTube Ndizi TV News. Unaweza tuandikia ujumbe mfupi na hiyo namba iko hapo juu ambayo ni 0792192834. Vile niliwaambia tuko Camel Park ambayo ni the ultimate kids carnival week na tunashirikiana na Camel Park, Ndizi TV, True Food, Chocolates, Zesta and KCB Bank. Kama hujaleta mtoto wako, usichelewe kumleta. Ona venye watu wanaenjoy na I hope mtoto wako pia ataenjoy. So kutakuwa na boat riding, swimming, modeling, dancing na zingine nyingi. Kumbuka kama kawaida ni Christabel Nyaboke ambaye anakuletea Ndizi Kids Show ndani ya Ndizi TV Obwansu Wamagusi. Pia unaweza kunifuata kwa mitandao ya TikTok kama official Christabel 254. Kujeni Camel Park tujienjoy. Kumbuka Ndizi Kids, Smart Kids. Smart Kids, Abana, Abasera. Camel Park, the pride of Kisii. Ndizi TV Obwansu Wamagusi. When kids are happy, everyone is happy. I hope umeenjoy hapo mali nimekutembeza Camel Park mzima. So tunaenda kwa dance. I hope umeendelea kuenjoy na kumbuka tunaingia kwa event yenyewe. Remember, when kids are happy, everyone is happy. Please enjoy. DJ pull up.
Alright, let's go. Ngoja muone sasa. Waita Kisii Dance Academy. Tafuta joto nani? Makofi. Ati. Woi. Inaitwa live session yenyewe. Hivyo ndivyo tunaanza siku ya leo nani? One time, two time. Waita Kisii Dance Academy building the pride of Kisii.
Rewind. Rock it again.
Na kuanga mwai. Leta tuende super dancers. Yes.
Oh, me girl, you a bad man.
Hey.
You make the man them bad man.
Session sasa Kisii Dance Academy.
Find them when you drive hard. Then you get it like Santa. No time for the banter. Shake it like you from Atlanta. And you dealing with the come. Up in the dance and in the come. Did you get a wine and the back come? Rewind.
Wait. Leta. Wacha tuone wale wa TikTok. Wacha tuone wale wa TikTok. Saini kujibamba tu. Hivyo ndivyo tunaanza gia namba moja. Hey. Saga. Waita Kisii Dance Academy. The ultimate kids carnival week. Kama ni tamu tunaanza tena kutoka juu. Karibu sana wale watu wote kwa rumba. tu. Sini kujibamba tu. Twende.
I want to flex my love.
Apo. Leta. Wewe uone sasa. Leta tuende. Kila mtu. Daibo. Yeah. Wewe uone sasa show. Leta Wale wa mapiano tuende sokanyu.
I'm unavailable.
Hapo sawa, tukirudi nyuma. I'm unavailable. Haya, hapo sawa. Twende hapo. Remember it's all about streets. Let's go. Haya, wacha mfaya tupeleke mbele chini. Hapo sawa, baby girl tupe. Hapo sawa, twende. Rudi nyuma mama. Haya, kila utulia. Ati Italia. Wale wa TikTok leta challenge. Bada tujaanza ni mdogo tu. Ati oh my god. I'm waiting for you. Oh my god. Haya, nije sasa nipakie naso kwanza. Nipakie naso mzuri. Anaitwa mtoto chikitika. Leta tuende. Hivyo ndo tunaanza siku ya leo. Leta chikitika munane. Aya, leta tuende. Hapo sawa, leta tuende. Baby kona. Rudi nyuma. Ngoja uone sasa. Wacha wako sasa mwanangu.
Just spread out like T-Mobile. Liquid girls got wide. So special like show them style. Who me say? But sexy girl show yourself. But sexy girl show yourself. But sexy girl show yourself.
Don't make me love a grown up. Yeah, you ready for that? Wine fast, do it slow. Bounce like a ball and boom, boom, boom. Boom like a ball, girl. Boom, boom. Your body tight overall, girl. Boom, boom. Youngster girl, jump over the wall and do it like a ball, girl. Boom, boom, boom like a ball, girl. Boom, boom. Your body tight overall, girl. Boom, boom. Youngster girl, jump over the wall. Girl, wind up your body, yeah. Girl, come fling it up for me and just boom, 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 girl. Wind up your body, yeah. Girl, come fling it up for me and just boom, 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 girl. 6:30, clockwise.
Wacha nikupeleke pole. Haya, twende hapo.
We don't care. From a girl, we want them near.
Wacha nipeleke mtoto pole.
And in the ear, show this love.
Twende sideways.
For the girl them.
Badilisha.
For the girl them.
Badilisha.
The best thing that ever make.
Badilisha.
Give so much trouble and problems.
Twende.
For the girl them. For the girl them.
Haya, nipe kwaba.
Tell them. See the body I wear make man comfortable. No only a man when I'm comfortable. From you get a to the wild like animal, me know say ya. Second round of applause and clap to the body ya. Traffic, not stop to the body ya. Where the girl and where the sick down body. No, and not any man touch a body ya. Me have the sick down body. Me I go mad when me do. Me have the sick down body.
I turn up.
Bad man, we no take this in a face. We no set, we no gal can't help us. The gal we no help you. We walk in and the sex. Yeah, we boss, we no fling foot in a. Bad man face, no gal can't. Fi we walk round, no come fit in a. If you in a bush, turn up in a. When we have a car, make yellow tape car. When we drink, I am bigger. Come fit in a. Say what's up.
We no fear no one at all. Muscle inside. Energy 100%, oh, and them no feel comprehend, and them no feel understand. Nobody better than I. 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 Nobody better than I.
One time, two times. My hands, your waist, my heart. My lips, your lips, they touch. We kiss on Haya, tukanyage lami sasa, tukanyage lami.
Nipe nikupe, come to the dance floor.
Kanyaga lami.
Leo tuna festa fe banga.
Haya, weka marigo kidogo, weka marigo kidogo.
Yeah. Nikuste, usiniogope.
Weka marigo kidogo. Haya, piga challenge. Kanyaga. 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 Kanyaga yo lami. Kila mtu kanyaga lami. Kila mtu kanyaga lami. Twende. Hapo. Tukumbushe. Hizi ni zile za enzi zetu. Hapo sawa.
Tetema, yani kama umepigwa shoti. Tetema, nipe miganisho ya roboti. Tetema, ukutani hadi kwenye kochi. Tetema, kwenye giza mama shika tochi. Kataka kama naoga.
Ati oh mama.
Kapandizi za Bukoba.
Oh mama.
Kapandisha boda boda.
Oh mama.
Choka kuchumumbua.
Tulia. Ati
Ay, mama.
Wewe uone sasa show.
Kufa, hoi, wikidi. Ay, mama, shigidi. Chonki.
Haya, leta tuone.
Aya tunde tetema. Oh mama tetema. Tipo tetema. Oh mama tetema. Aya tunde tetema. Oh mama tetema.
Oya sasa. Ati Alright, asante sana DJ Shikilia. DJ Shikilia. Wapigeni makofi jamani, wapigeni makofi. Wapigeni makofi. Wapigeni makofi. Wacha niulize watoto. Hebu umeona Spider-Man? Umeona Spider-Man? Unataka umuone leo hapa live? Unataka kumuona live? Umeona Spider-Man? Umeona Spider-Man? Na macho hivi. Na macho ama kwa TV? Unamwona kwa TV? Nimlete hapa leo. Utamwambia nini? Wewe ni fan wake. Asante sana. So right about now, nataka niongeze crew nyingine kwa Kisii Dance Academy. Kama hujawahi ona Spider-Man for live, kama hujawahi ona Mickey Mouse, kama hujawahi ona Minnie Mouse, nakwambia watakuwa wanajiunga nasi muda usiokuwa mrefu. Ma-DJ washazungumza na wewe, wanakuja na ngoma gani, si ndio? Haya, tulia hapo sasa. Tulia hapo sasa. Wacha nijue kama watoi wale watoi, acha nijue watu wako kwa Bouncy Castle kama wako tayari niwaletee Spider-Man na Mickey Mouse. Ula anaruka pale juu, ndo nangoja hapa chini. Baba kuja, wewe ndo nangoja. Huyu mtoi yeye ako VIP. Huyu mtoi ako VIP. Yeye ashaona Spider-Man already, ashaona Mickey Mouse, ashaona Minnie Mouse, unaona? Hata hataki kutoka pale juu. Haya, wacha nitafute mwingine. Baba kuja. Kuja, siumi, kuja tu. Haya, wacha hii sweet acha niite mtu mwingine nimpatie. Hii sweet acha niite mtu mwingine nimpe. Niliweka wapi? Baba ushakuja. Niaje? Unajua unaweza ongea naye Kiswahili na nipate. Unajua tunasikizwa wanaongeanga Kizungu. Baba naomba usiongee Kizungu manake mimi sijui Kizungu. Baba sasa? Unaitwa nani? Trins. Huu unaongea Kiswahili ama Kizungu?
Kiswahili.
Oh, Kiswahili.
So Kiswahili iko sawa. Baby kuja hapa. When I grow up I want to be like you. Kakitambi vizuri, ka hairstyle. Alright. Haya, baba sasa. Unajua unaonekana kwa TV, angalia pale. So, unaonanga Ndizi TV? Ulikuja na nani hapa? Dadi ama mami? Ulikuja na anko? Kuna watu ungependa kusalimia nyumbani wanakuwatch kutoka Ndizi TV? Naam. Unawasalimia, unawaambia aje? Unasalimia nani nyumbani? Mami.